The 30th of June has come and gone. As the dust settles, we wish to speak plainly to the nation, to reflect honestly on what we have just lived through, and to place on record 2 decades before the public. Let us begin with gratitude. On the 30th of June, the country stood firm. They called for a shutdown. South Africa did not shut down. Our children went to school. Our workers went to work. Our buses, our taxis, and our trains ran. Our clinics and our shops stayed open. The economy kept its feet, and we foresee no grave job losses from the action. For this, we thank the overwhelming majority of South Africans who refused to be conscripted into anarchy here in Gauteng and KZN. Because people in their very nature, if they are not policed, they tend to be anarchic. What made them in Yeoville to want to raid a bottle store if they are fighting over an issue of immigration? The store was closed. They wanted to break in because bafuna batywala. What does that alcohol have to do with the demand at hand? They could not loot like they did in July because the police were deployed and working overtime. At night here at GP, they were throwing stones. The organizers changed from a violence language to a peaceful thing, which was good. But when they started, Jacinta and them, they were calling for violent action. And people who think that they can ascend to a podium and call on people to be violent must be arrested. There's no negotiation with such people because we're a lawful country. We're a democratic state. Raise your voice, raise your issues, but do not marshal innocent people. More than 4,000 people, July riots, died. South Africans died. And they will never come back. These people, if they are shot, I saw some pictures in Yeoville, a person bleeding and all of that being shot. And there was a rumor, which we followed up with the police, it's not clear. A 17-year-old was killed around Hillbrow. We know what violence can do, but nobody says, you don't have a right to. Even if they protest and say the ANC must not be voted, let's give the people the truth, because theirs is a short-lived victory.
Ubani umuntu obhalela uMbaluli speech uronke, awukhuluma izinto eziprovoka umphakathi. You can't say the march was unsuccessful because akumushwanga. Uthini kulabo bantu ukuze babone ukuthi into yabo successful kufanele bamoshwe? Sithi nje leso statement uchaza ukuthini misho njalo, uchaza ukuthi kushuthi bekufanele bamoshe. One, asishonga ukuthi shutdown, kuthiwe imarch. There's a difference between the shutdown and march. It was a peaceful march. Ukuba khona kwe peaceful march kusho kona ukuthi imarch it was successful. If it was unsuccessful, ibizoba nezidubedube. Bona bebejaha ukuthi imarch ibe nezidubedube khona bezobopha ama leaders movement. Unfortunately akwenzekanga ke kanjalo. Unfortunately akuzange kuze kwenzeke kanjalo. Akekho umuntu ozothi khona imarch and march ayikazi ibe successfully imarch yabo. Yazi ngobani? Ngoba already thousands and thousands of South Africans aqashiwe last week. That is history. I-March in March iyenzile i-history, not even one political party eyake yaqasha abantu abaningi kanje in a short period. Akukaze kuze kwenzeke in history yase South Africa kwenzekile ke kodwa manje. Sikhuluma ngemovement engenama sponsor, imovement ecela ama donation. Sikhuluma ngabantu abaphumayo millions and millions bengeke bathola izikipa, bashiya ingane zabo, abanye bathatha ama leave, bahambe bezozithengela ama refreshments. Thina sijwayela ama match, thina abantu benikwa izikipa, benikwa amanzi, thiwa sekuyadliwa estadium bencengwa. This time around ngikutshela ngabantu abasukume beyithengela bona ama refreshments. Uyayizwa indaba? Bazithengela bona, zikho izikipa baphiwa zona mahala. Iskipa uyasithenga uzubona ukuthi bayayenza lento, bayafuna ukuyenza lento abafuna ukuyenza. Iskipa bayasithenga, ama refreshments bayazithengela. Awekho amabhasi ekuthiwa khisho ugovernment ukuthi asupporte kuzoba njani. Awekho, kushawa ngonyawo. You understand? Lishawa ngonyawo because abantu bayafuna ukuthi bayenze leyo nto. So akukho noyedwa umuntu ozothi i-March it was unsuccessful akhulume ngento eyenzeke ngalelo langa ngoba nakho yena kade expect to action. Ukuba successful kwe-March in March uqashwa kwabantu base South Africa and baqashiwe. Ma testimonies, bantu bajabulile, abantu baqashile. Niyazi kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi umnotho wethu usubuyele ezandleni zethu. Ema salon kuzogcwala amantombazane ayasebenza. Ema restaurant kuzogcwala amantombazane ayasebenza. Izingane zizogqoka kahle, zizofunda kahle, zizophatha imphaka ehlakaniphile, zizoshintsha izikole, amantombazane ayasebenza. Obhuti abakade bengasahlonishwe emakhaya ngoba bengasebenzi, umuntu axakeka azagugelwe ianda, sebezothola nokuhlonishwa. Nabakade bengafuneki ngoba bengenamali, bengajoli, sebezothola nezintombi. Sekuzoba mnandi ama-event, sekuzohanjwa ama-event inkosi yami. To ama-celebrity athuli ayaziwa. Ama-celebrity asupportayo ayaziwa. Already ama-celebrity ethu aseyakhanselwa, ne? Ayakhanselwa kulamazwe ngaphandle. Kodwa bukanike. If you are a celebrity, ne? You might as well support i-March in March. Uyazi ngobani? Bazokukhansela 2 times. Uzofika ukhanselwe kulamandla sengaphandle cause either way whether uthuli or uyakhuluma usukhanseliwe vele. Ayikho iSouth African ezoperform eZimbabwe, ayikho iSouth African ezoperforma koMalawi o Zambia kuphi. Already sebekukhanselile, ne? Uzophinda ukhanselwe yithina ke la eSouth Africa manje ngoba thina sizothi wena ngesikhathi silwa wena uzange uzwenze lutho, wena wathula wathi swayi. Uphinda ukhanselwe yithina, cabanga uzokhanselwa yithina, uphinda ukhanselwa abangaphandle. So you might as well support March in March, at least wenze njani? At least ukhanselwe ngaphandle, la ekhaya thina sizokusupport. Asazoba khona ama-event, sisazoba celebrate oJacinta nophakela umthakathi, sisazo celebrate ukuqashwa kwezingane, sisazoyi-celebrate movement, kuningi kusazokwenziwa, kusazoba khona ama-party, kusazoba khona ama-event koDurban, kusazoshuba nje, kusazoba mnandi. So wena uma ungasupport uzozibona. Nibonile uTira bamenzeni? Uthethu amathikithi kwathiwa cha uthini ngeMarch in March. Uthethu uthi amathikithi kwathi uthini ngeMarch in March. Uma ucabanga manje mangasathi uOscar Mbo uyodlala estadium, bangakho abantu abangaya kuOscar Mbo? Angasigcwalisa istadium, yazi ngobani? Ngoba wenze kwaba clear ukuthi uthatha liphi side. Ngoba wenze waba clear ukuthi iliphi iside alithathayo. Yabona ezinye izinto ifuna ukuthi ube smart. Yes, i-movement ngesikhathi samncane sanabantu abancane ubungangajoyini uDoje uthula ungakhuluma. Yabo manje njengoba sinabantu abaningi kanje sekufanele ubheke ukuthi kuphi la uzohlafuna khona, kuphi la ungeke uhlafune khona. Sekufanele ube la. Sekufanele ube la. Ubone ukuthi uzohlafuna kuphi ongeke uhlafune. Let me give you an example ngami. Mina ngidayisa impahla. Yes, I'm buying my clothes from I'm a foreigner, ne? I'm stocking my clothes from foreigners, right? But then who is buying? South Africans. So what's the point if I don't support South Africans? What's the point? Which means mina ngizothenga amabhele then ngizostaka namabhele because ama South Africans azothi no, why must we support uBongi? She didn't support us. Ngesikhathi silwa uBongi wayethuli. Bongi was defending foreigners. Uyayizwa lonto? Ama-client ama South Africans, should they decide ukuthi no uBongi uthuli nge-margin manje lesikhansela uBongi, what is going to happen to me? Yebo ngingaligibela ibhanoyi, kulungile mangilahlwa ama-supplier ami, it's fine, ngizogibela ibhanoyi ngiye-Asia ngiyolanda impahla, ngizogibela ibhanoyi ngihambe ngiye-UK ngiyolanda impahla, e-USA kuphi. Into ebalekile ukuthi mina angibe muhle kwi-country yami ebantwini bami, angisupporte i-country yami. Ngingaqhaqhambisi ukuthi laba ibona abanginikeza stock because ekugcineni kosuku nabo abanginikeza mahala. If bona bezongidinelwa ukuthi mina ngisupport i-country yami, okusho ukuthi kuyobe kuukuthi nabo bacabanga kahle, okusho ukuthi abayilambile abayifuni imali yami. As far as I know bayayifuna imali yami. Uma decide ukuthi abasangidayisela impahla, I still have the option yokugibela ibhanoyi. Uyayizwa lonto? But mangilahlekelwa inina ngizoba nenkinga ngoba ngizoligibela ibhanoyi ngibuye and then what? Uyayibona ke lento ama celebrate ngizolahlekelwa ukuthi azolahlekelwa abantu bangaphandle aphinde lahlekelwe yithina. So nami ngizolahlekelwa mina mangithula nginganisupport ngizolahlekelwa inina ngiphinde ngilahlekelwa ama supply phelile ngami. Kungcono ngilahlekelwe yilabo bangaphandle vele but nina ama customer ngibe semseni wenu ngibe semseni wenu. Mina nani sibe right, sibe in good terms. Ngini-support ukuthi siyilwe lempi. Ngiyabona? So ama-celebrity awayikele mlento and I can see ukuthi abo Ramaphosa no Mbalula bayatatazela bebengayi-expectile lento yama-millions abantu abaphumile. And manje it's a matter of i-MK yenze kwaba clear ukuthi support i-march and march. I-IFP yenze kwaba clear ukuthi support i-march and march. So manje bayayibona i-competition. Bayayibona ke manje i-competition ukuthi ngakuphi. Bayabona ukuthi labantu bawine inhliziyo zethu. Labantu abawu2 bawine inhliziyo zethu. And lama thousands abantu asebethola umsebenzi already sebeyazi bazovota ngakuphi. Sebeyazi bona ukuthi bazovota ngakuphi. And nawamanye ama-province bathuli bayabuka. Sibuka iDurban manje qashiwe Durban guys. Ningasho ukuthi ngikhethe iDurban angisazi state sala eGoli. Mhlawumbe la eGoli ngazi abantu abawu3 abaqashiwe. So angibazi abanye abantu asikhulumeni ngeDurban. Iqashiwe iDurban thousands and thousands iqashiwe ithola umsebenzi. Namanye ama-province ayabona ukuthi this thing ye-march and march yasebenza. Bazoqala bajoyine. Izohamba i-MK izoyi IFP kwenzakaleni amavoti.
Bafowethu into ongayazi inkulu kakhulu ngonawe wenganza kwethu kade ngilalele uFikile Mbalula ekhuluma kubuka sengazi ukuthi uFikile Mbalula ukuzwa makuthiwa inhlanzi ishelwa amanzi akayazi into azoyikhuluma. Ukufika kwakhe namhlanje ezokhuluma ubona nje ukuthi uzombancaza ukuthi beyi-ANC ayikho into noma izinhlelo ababanazo ukuthi bacontrole ama-illegal foreigners ukuthi engabi maningi kangaka eSouth Africa ngoba iyona i-ANC ebisemandleni for 32 years in power. Kwavele konakala kakhulu ngokuqala and mangayicheck-a lento ukuthi yayikhona ngale ka-1990 abantu babevese bebaningi kangaka yini. There's no such a thing, babengekho kanje. Uphinde ubheke futhi ukuthi abantu-ke bona base-South Africa babephume beyizinkulungwane njengalabantu abama-illegal because the biggest problem ama-illegal foreigners, not ukuthi the biggest problem ama-legal abantu abangene ngokwamaphepha. Biggest problem ilaba abama-illegally abangenazo incwadi abangenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli. And bephinde bethole imisebenzi basebenze kodwa bengenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli lizwe. That the big problem, biggest problem. Manje-ke kuyathusa and kuyaphoxa ukuthi uzolalela umuntu onjengoFikile Mbalula o-SG. Phela i-SG bafowethu i-CEO ye-ANC leyo. uFikile Mbalula uyena oyi-CEO ye-ANC. But akwazi ukuthi ufika umuntu orepresenta such a big organization azokhuluma nje ubone ukuthi yilento evele kuthiwa bla 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 bla. He has no plan. Into esiyibonayo kuphela ukuzogxeka imashi nemashi. Into esiyibonayo kuphela ukuzogxeka uPhakela Umthakathi and uthi abantu base-South Africa bengathi ukuthi i-ANC eyadala ukuthi abantu bokufika ama-illegal foreigners ukuthi bagcwale eSouth Africa. Wenzeni ngalokho? As a Khongolose nenzeni ngalokho? Because ithe uma iqala imashi nemashi iphusha lento, bathe uma beqala uPhakela Umthakathi beyingena beyiphusha, nabagxeka kakhulu, and namanje you busy now pushing your narratives abhedayo uqamba amanga Fikile Mbalula uzothi uPhakela Umthakathi lento it is not about imashi nemashi ukhankasela i-IFP wamuzwa eGoli ukuthi bengakhohlwa ukuthi bavotele i-IFP kwasha kwacima kanjani nayo ithola iGoli ukuthi wamuzwa ekhuluma eGoli. Give us one video. Give us one video. Sinikeze nje ivideo eyodwa eshoyo ukuthi eveza uPhakela Umthakathi ekhuluma ngokuthi abantu kuzofuneke eJohannesburg bengayikhohlwa i-IFP bavotele i-IFP ukuthi nayo ithathe iGoli. Just play one video. So ukukhuluma kaMbalula namhlanje mina ngikubona bekunecessary and bekungabalekile ngoba ayikho into ngempela abeyiphethe ebalekile. He has no plan. Ubekhuluma nje ngoba kufanele naye aphoste sivivaneni ebona kufanele aphoste sivivaneni since ingekho into eyenzile nanokuthi kube nemashi ebe successful eSouth Africa. Imashi ekade ibukelwa phansi kuthiwa mhlawumbe ngeke ize bekhona nanokuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwa kuzoba nodlame and stuff like that. Kwangaba khona dlame, akwangavandalizwa lutho, yonke into yahamba yaqonda ngononini. And we're still saying thank you Magobese, thank you Phakela Umthakathi, thank you Ngizwe Mchunu ukuthi niyicontrole kahle lento yathula yathi du. We still say thank you to them. But tell us one thing that you Fikile Mbalula and your so-called ANC have you done? What have you done? Nike nayisupporta lo mbono ukuthi ama-illegal foreigners awahambi? Or nani-busy nigxeka, ni-busy nikhuluma into ezi-wrong ngelokhuzaneni ngemashi nemashi? Ukhuluma nje yabona Fikile Mbalula, you just so intellectual stupid. That's a fact. Alikho iqhaza engibona mina bona i-ANC yenza imistake enkulu ukuthi befake wena as u-SG wayo ngoba ayikho lento yakhona. Ayikho ukuthi uzoba nomuntu okanjena nje obhizi nje oveza khulume noma kanjani. Yabo? Buka nje okunye futhi aphinde wakusho hayi shame. Hayi shame. Hayi shame, hayi shame, hayi shame, hayi shame, hayi shame. Ayikho lento yakhona. Uphinda uzogxeka ugxeka uPhakela Umthakathi and at the same time uhlanganisa izinto engahlangani. Uyabona ukuthi ukhuluma ngoba kufanele ekhulumile. Uthi akulona iqiniso kanjani? You need to prove it. Akulona iqiniso ukuthi i-ANC akusiyona eyafaka abantu bokufika eSouth Africa. What have you done? Nika uhulumeni nenzeni ngamabhoda. Sitshele ukuthi yiphi plan ebenayo ukuthi kulokhuza amabhoda. Amabhoda avuleke kanjani? Kwenzeke kanjani? Kwenzeke kanjani? Hayi suka. Dlala ngathi uFikile Mbalula. Futhi nje zama ukuphuma uphele ngoba akakaze simuzwe nanini Phakela Umthakathi ekhuluma ngezepolitiki. Wakube ngokusoba this thing has nothing to do with the politics. So now you have to stay away. Abantu bepolitiki abaphume bephele endabeni kamashi nemashi. Abaphume bephele kulama mashi enzakalayo. Phuthula nje Fikile Mbalula ngoba uyasangana.
Yazi bengibukele uFikile Mbalula net as ANC Secretary General since namhlanje is the 2nd of July 2026. Ufikile Mbalula look or usound a person or disappointed. Disappointed in March, young 30 June 2026, because I think what he was looking forward to see a chaos in South Africa. Because people were expecting what kuzobane chaos and then they want to blame so and so. So unfortunately, it was the opposite. In March, it was a success. Even though we would have some sort of elements there and there, la bantu bafuna khona ukuthi ibe uncontrollable, but obviously isiphoyisa besikhona, they control the situation. Ufikile Mbalula was so disappointed by Jacinta Ngizwe and Uphakela Mthakathi ukuthi in March it was a success. It's just that ukuthi azange khona ukukhuluma ukuthi ngiyanibongisa iMarch yenu it was a success thing, because like kancane every person, a politician, when is speaking ungena ngapha kuphume ngapha, because angisabezwa iMarch and March movement. It is the only movement in South Africa that has made a politician irrelevant, periodly. Whether we be politician, only those that are supporting them. But the majority, they are so irrelevant. Abanye nje abakhona wenza i-press briefing bayasaba, because they are also implicated nangale kuMahlanga Commission of Inquiry. But yeah, all I can tell you is, yabona ANC, my fellow commissioners, ANC, it's something that can be fixed, but under one condition, which is remove the entire ANC NEC, put people who are qualified and let them run that organization. Because that organization, manje, it's a sponsor shop. Go and look at the ANC NEC members. It's about 80 people. Like 80% of them, imigulugudu, abanye ba implicated kuMahlanga Commission of Inquiry, abanye ba namacala. Like nje, it's people who have never even burned the tires. Corruption pale. That's the only way that can fix the ANC. Uguti, remove the entire ANC NEC. Get the right people. Because manje ANC, they want Guti ama mayor. It should be people who are qualified. When did they realize what they need to do something like that? Why should they put ama mayor kube babantu qualified? Meanwhile, ama minister, it's useless people. The problem with the ANC, this time you become the minister of higher education. This time, next time you become the minister of health. The next time you become the minister of trade and industry. Like uthola be experience yako konke lokho. Kuyakhonakala. Anybody can be something in the ANC as a minister. So you want a person who overlook a metro, but the minister akanama qualification ukuthi akhona urana a certain portfolio. So I don't know, guys. Let's talk in the comment section. What do you think about press briefing or ANC Secretary General ANC Ufikile Mbalula press briefing yakhe? Because according to me, he sounded so disappointed, because there's no way ukuthi angathi Uphakela Mthakathi noNgizwe Mchunu at some point bazoveza amakhala swabo ukuthi that thing like it's a political agenda. We don't know. I fully support Jacinta, but the other two, I don't know. I can't say ukuthi I don't trust them, but Jacinta from the beginning, igama lakhe beliyi-1.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Bofikile Mbalula ngosiyamvele bayatigulela. So right now he seems very disappointed ukuthi March yangi-30 akuzange kube khona dlamelo as a peaceful march. But uyabona ukuthi yena ubona ngazuthi it was unsuccessful because akuzange kuluthwe, and ukhuluma indaba yokuthi bekuyi-shutdown. Asikhumbule thina kuba i-shutdown besathi nje kokuthi march sa-shutdown or siyiva ngayo, and people are really calling him out and dragging him lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana kokuthi wayehlezi ayikhuluma kabi i-march and march, uhlezi a-defend ama-foreigners, and people are really tired ngebantu be-ANC nokuhlezi ba-protector abantu bokufika eSouth Africa ngalokhu ngekho emthethweni. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.